Is your engine running rough? Or maybe it just will not start at all, and your check engine light is glaring at you from the dashboard? You might be dealing with a P0378 trouble code. This specific code means your engine computer, also known as the powertrain control module or PCM, is getting an erratic or intermittent signal from an engine position sensor. Think of this sensor like the conductor of an orchestra, telling the engine exactly when to fire the spark plugs and spray the fuel injectors. If the conductor is waving their baton wildly and completely out of rhythm, the music sounds terrible. In your car, that translates directly to the frustrating symptoms you're probably feeling right now. You will likely notice your check engine light is illuminated. Your car takes a very long time to crank over, it flat out refuses to start, or it suffers from severe hesitation and poor overall engine performance when you're trying to accelerate down the road. The causes for this annoying issue can vary quite a bit. It could be as simple as a faulty sensor itself, which is a fairly common wear and tear item. You might also have wiring problems, like loose electrical connections or wire harnesses that have rubbed against hot engine parts and are shorting out. Sometimes, the reluctor wheel, which is the spinning metal disc the sensor reads, gets damaged or covered in thick metal shavings from contaminated engine oil. In very rare cases, the engine computer itself could be failing. To fix this at home, you'll want to start with a very thorough visual inspection. Look closely at the wires going to the crankshaft or camshaft position sensor. If everything looks okay on the outside, you'll need to grab a digital multimeter. For a Hall effect style sensor, you'll check for a 5-volt reference signal, a solid ground connection, and a fluctuating return signal when you manually turn the engine over. For a permanent magnet style sensor, you'll check the internal resistance in ohms and look for an alternating current voltage signal when cranking the motor. This gets highly technical extremely quickly, requiring specific factory wiring diagrams for your exact make and model. If testing live wires and reading multimeter screens sounds like a massive headache, or if you simply cannot find any obvious wire damage during your inspection, this is exactly when you should take your vehicle to a certified professional mechanic. They have advanced diagnostic tools like digital oscilloscopes to physically see the electrical sensor pulses on a screen and pinpoint the exact failure without just throwing expensive parts at the problem. Thanks for watching, and drive safe out there.